Good morning. It is 15 degrees. 8:30. And we're leaving this police station where we slept last night. Oh, it's quite nice on the outside actually. Huh? Didn't know that. Oh. And the last bit we drove yesterday was through these mountains, but we didn't see anything of it. Large pieces of roads where we just drove were gone, and I think it has to do with the flooding in Pakistan from last year. Oh wow, the tractor. The local cafe. We stopped for some shopping over here. Bought some bananas, apples. And now we are on our way again. I'm wondering if this all was flooded by the giant floods last year, because they had abnormally amount of rain. Whoa. Yeah, you can definitely see there was a lot of rain. Oh, these roads. It's so bad and dusty. So we had a pause, had dinner, chicken, rice, roti, and now we're searching for a ATM to get some money because we are almost out, every one of us, but it's closed. Yeah, I like this. Doing a bit of road. Although it is dusty. We are crossing the famous Indie River. Ah, it's a pity it's dark.